Alright folks, what's happening? Welcome back to another episode of the Ozark Adventurer. Today we are going to be doing a little kayak fishing, taking the kayaks out. And Adam, his first time, not doing real well. So that'll make the blooper reel. But come along, we're going to see if it goes any better than this. What'd you get? Nice. Adam got him a little bass.
Another one.
Nice. Must switch it up to a crankbait. There we go. Switched it up to the little bomber. Got a little smallmouth right off the bat. It's gonna be a crankbait day. That gets me excited. It's my favorite way to catch them. Not big, but it's one. And I ain't falling out the kayak yet, so it's a win. There we go. Oh, and he come off. No, he didn't. He's still on there.
Oh, there again.
No? I guess that was worth the $1 something I spent on this.
Hey, you know what? I got it, and I still got enough line to fish. It's a good day. Well, I do it again. Oh, got little yappers.
Awesome. Little guy. I like it when I drop mine. There we go. That's another bluegill. I can tell by the way it's fighting. Quick release. All right, folks, there you have it. I appreciate you coming along today. Didn't really get an outro there at the creek, so I wanted to just do something here at the house. What I caught the most fish on today ended up being this little Yozuri micro crank. Hopefully you can see that. But that's what I ended up catching most everything on. I found this up at Bass Pro when me and the wife was up there just looking around the other day. Went up to go visit a friend, just happened to stop in there. Saw those. Can't get them at my local bait shop. They were pretty cheap. And you know, I like my pan fishing and my micro lures. Picked one up and it absolutely just ended up being the best thing for me that day. So I appreciate you watching. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And appreciate you watching. Thanks for coming along.